Hi love, I am currently in Cebu. It's our second day here. We are heading to the beach. I'm just with my family and I'm so excited for this trip. Before we head to the Helipad later, going to the beach, we're here at the house of the French consul, Mr. Michel Louvellier, or Louvellier. So pretty, you guys.
So if I never touch you, baby, you should know I'm going crazy. I can't help myself anymore. Cause I've been looking for the one and I would think I felt your love. Cause things have never been this good before. Cause you're dancing in the corner, you're dancing how you want it. I can't help but smile. And there is like a type of feeling that we're moving to the beat, yeah. Summer nights with you there. I never thought I would have felt that love I was dreaming of. But my hand is over yours and now you got me.
Kayo lang yung lumubog, hindi kami.
Hey, hey! Okay! Get special night from our heart!
My love language is your time and attention. Won't you give some of it to me? I've been lonely lately. I've been feeling neglected, and I want you to show me. Can we get back on the same page tonight? Can we stay? And why don't you talk to me? Let's start a conversation. When you spend your time with me, you're speaking my love language. Talk to me. We don't need a translation. When you spend your time with me, you're speaking my love.
Hi loves, it is Ashley Sandrine. Welcome back to my channel. For today's video, it is going to be another vlog. I am currently in Cebu. It's our second day here and we are heading to the beach. I'm so excited for this trip. It's a very nice place though, so can't wait to show you guys and just enjoy the beach. We're just gonna stay there overnight lang naman, but it's kind of like an early birthday celebration for my mom. Tapos Father's Day celebration din, so sabay na. Anyways, I'm just wearing this black dress. Medyo parang Korean vibes lang siya kasi super flowy lang na dress. So, I'll show you guys what it looks like. I don't know if you guys can see, but it's super flowy lang. Hi love, so for breakfast, we are at Crave Cafe. I haven't been here in so long. It's one of our favorite places. Guys, I am so happy to be back. Oh my gosh. So excited. Guys, this is our most favorite champurrado. As in, sobrang sarap na to. Super duper good. And then, comes with powdered milk. It's so good. Mommy got chorizo. Dylan got sausage. Daddy got bacon. I also got chorizo din. Tapos, share kami ni Mommy.
Tonight can we stay? And why don't you talk to me? Let's start a conversation. When you spend your time with me, you're speaking my love language. Talk to me. We don't need a translation. When you spend your time with me, you're speaking my love language.
So there's this really cute place that I've wanted to go to for a long time, and it's called Pretty Bubble Dog. They have dogs from Korea and I follow their Instagram page. So sabi ko lang, I really wanted to check it out, and sakto we're here in the area, so we are going to look at the store. Ang cute! So cute! Hi. Oh my. Mami, oh. Lika. Tingnan mo. Oh my God. Hi. Oh. Hindi, ito si Charlie. Ayan, oh. Oh.
Hi.
Hi. Look. Hi. So cute. Oh, is this a multi-pool or this one?
Yeah, multiple.
Cute.
Also, yes, they are like from
Cute. Hi. Sweet potato.
Try natin. Ito na lang. Oh, pang snacks.
Natin?
Ito, Achi, Oo.
Hi loves, so before we head to the helipad later, going to the beach, we're here at the house of the French consul, Mr. Michel Louvillier, or Louvillier. Hello po.
Don't you talk to me, talk to me. Let's start a conversation. When you spend your time with me, you're speaking my love language. Talk to me, talk to me. We don't need a translation. When you spend
Guys,
your time
this
with
house
me,
is
you're
so
speaking my
beautiful.
love language.
Look at this view.
Language is your love and affection.
Hi loves, so we are here na at the helipad and this is what we're going to ride going to the beach. So it's just gonna be my family and si Tita that's riding with us. Ayan, my dad, my mom, Dylan. And guys, ang ganda ng view. Look at how pretty and peaceful.
Akong gipalipara tukod nimo.
Hi Tita.
So, cheaper sa inyo ha? Flight. Flight 11 Embraer helicopter.
You were posing for them, yeah, you were striding for them, 'cause I know just what you do. So if I never touch you, baby, you should know I'm going crazy. I can't help myself anymore. 'Cause I've been looking for the one and I think I found your love. 'Cause things have never been this good before. 'Cause you're dancing in the corner, you're dancing how you wanna, and I can't help but smile. And then I start to tap my feet in bed, we're moving to the beat, yeah. Summer nights with you there. Never thought I would have found that love I was dreaming of. But my hand is over here, and now you got me. And I just can't breathe with you here, babe. And you should know, you can tell me how you feel, put your heart out if it's real. You can dance to 3 in the morning. Don't wanna pretend like I just wanna be friends. So if I'm being honest too. So if I never touch you, baby, you should know I'm going crazy. I can't help myself anymore. 'Cause I've been looking for the one and I think I found your love. 'Cause things have never been this good before.
Oh my gosh. It was a really fun chopper ride, and right now we're at this location. This one isn't open to the public yet, but we get to see it and it's so beautiful. They're building villas right next to like the beach, pero this isn't where we're staying tonight. I think we're going somewhere else pa, but let me show you the place because it's so nice. This is what it looks like from the outside. And when you get in, oh my gosh, look at that fountain. And then there's a pool. Look at this view. Hi, Dylan. Guys, look at how beautiful this is. What the heck? It is so pretty. Ang sarap mag-swim, guys. Ang init. They even have a fire pit.
Come like a summer breeze when I fall, like autumn leaves. Wouldn't it be nice to grow old together? 'Cause you're calling out to me, but there's somewhere I gotta be. Wouldn't it be nice if timing was better? Priorities change, but people never do. I would be a fool to think you're worth it to lose.
Guys, grabe. Look at how beautiful this is.
I see you in every corner of every morning. Thoughts that haunted me, and oh, I can't let it be. Blame it on the things we've done.
So, we just went for a stopover pala dun sa villa na yon just to see, and we took a lot of photos. It was so nice. So, we're gonna ride the chopper again, and then we are heading to the beach na that we're gonna stay at overnight.
Oh, later na na.
Ano, gusto mo sa side, Daddy?
Okay lang.
Okay lang? Ah, okay lang. I'm going. Ang init.
My love language is your time and attention. Won't you give some of it to me? I've been lonely lately. I've been feeling neglected, and I want you to show me. Can we get back on the same page tonight? Can we stay? And why don't you talk to me? Let's start a conversation. When you spend your time with me, you're speaking my love language. Talk to me. We don't need a translation. When you spend your time with me, you're speaking my love language. My love language.
Hi loves, so we are here now at the resort and we're gonna have lunch first before heading to the rooms, but the view where we're eating at is so nice. Guys, look at this. The water is so clear. And look at that, walang tao guys, as in. And the fish, as in sobrang kita mo siya. I'll show you. You can see the fish. It's so clear. Grabe, ang ganda ng sand nila. Looks super soft and fine. Ang ganda ng view. Tapos we're eating right there. Okay, you guys, I wasn't able to vlog anymore because I was so tired, but we had a lot of food, chicken, pizza, vegetables, pasta, salmon. Anyways, I'm done, and of course I got coffee. I got an iced mocha. Hi loves, we are at El Mar now, and this is our room. This is where the whole family is gonna be staying. Ayan, one room lang kami, but it's really big. When you enter, they have an area here for your maleta. There's a cabinet. There, they have a safe, drawers, and everything. And then we have this. Well, sorry, my stuff is there na. But this is the bathroom. And hi. We have a really huge area right here. The sink, towels, blow dryer, toilet area. This is the shower. Hello. And then we have a bed right here, another one there, and then we're gonna set up one more kasi there's 4 of us, but the room is so big. Hi! Super nice view, guys. Look. Guys, look at this. This is the view from our room. Ayan na, it's the beach. And grabe, it seems very, very peaceful. And the sand looks really nice. And the water looks really clear too. And that was where we were. That's where we had lunch kanina. Hi loves, I just changed and kanina I was wearing the black dress, but right now I'm wearing my swimsuit, wearing denim shorts, and then I just have a cover up. But we are ready to swim. We only have like an hour left before you're not allowed to swim till 6 lang pwede. So anyways, I'm pretty excited and I'm excited to bring my Insta360 na cam kasi it's waterproof na. So at least we can use that while we're in the water. Hey guys, we're here by the beach. We took photos and tingnan nyo, sobrang unti lang ng tao. Like as in, it's almost empty.
Saw you walking in the street one day, it was Sunday.
It's not cold, yay!
Dancing with your headphones on, thinking everyone was watching you moving to the beat, cause swerving in the street just to get a glimpse of you. You were posing for them, yeah, you were strutting for them, cause I know just what you do. So if I never touch you, baby, you should know I'm going crazy. I can't help myself anymore, cause I've been looking for the one and now I think I found your love, cause things have never been this good.
1, 2, 3. Kaya lang yung lumubog, hindi kami. Tamad din, no? But sila mami, ayan na. Grabe guys, hindi talaga kami ma-beach. I mean, like, hindi kami ma-swim.
Sila. Ako dati.
Ayan. Well, si mami nagda-dive. Kayo, dati.
Dati. Napilitan lang siya kasi nagda-dive ako.
Ngayon, wala, tamad. Tamad mag-swim. But the colors are so nice. Kasi pa sunset na. What time na ba? 5 something or 6? Mag-6 na din eh. So nice.
And the water is warm, lukewarm.
Yeah.
And the beach is very nice kasi hindi siya mabato.
It's very, ano lang, sandy lang siya. Hindi siya rocky. Rocky road. Hindi, walang camera. Ay, walang... But hi guys. Ganda ng ano yun.
Honestly, it's such a shame. My friends are getting in the way. I just don't know what to say, cause it's hard for me to walk away. Honestly, it's such a shame when my friends are getting in the way. I just don't know what to say.
Hi loves, we are back from a swim, a very quick swim kasi till 6 lang, so we were like there for 20 to 30 minutes lang. It was a good time. Ang ganda ng beach nila. The water's really clean and everything, and it's really peaceful. Anyways, I'm by the balcony kasi sobrang lamig sa loob and I'm super cold kasi I'm wet pa. But naligo muna si daddy, so ako na lang after. So I'll just chill here and I'm working actually. Medyo mahina yung signal and I have to post. So oh no, walang signal. I have work, pero walang signal.
Pagkatapos natin patulang tayo.
Neglected, and I want you to show me. Can we get back on the same page tonight? Can we?
Happy birthday to you! Happy birthday to you! Happy birthday, happy birthday!
up? Hey, hey!
Butas lang yan, ha?
Okay! Yes, special yarn from our heart! Yes!
Mommy, happy birthday! Love you!
Thank you, thank you.
It's, ano na ba? Anong oras na ba? 12:34! On, ano na? June 18.
That's my birthday?
Yeah, she's 35.
Oh my God.
Mommy, happy birthday!
Nervous ako.
Mommy, wag ka kabahan. Ano lang, wala.
Wala to.
It's just a little something
Something
that I think you can use.
and you really like also.
Yeah.
Wow, I'm excited.
Kala niya jewelry.
Oo nga.
Grabe. Kimchi ata ito, di ba sa mga Koreano ganito? Kabalot kimchi.
Kasi samonim ka eh.
Take out yan, take out.
Samanim. Wow! Wow naman, real me. Okay.
I got you the same phone para hindi ka na magpapasend sa akin ng picture. Mwah!
Love you.
Love you! Hi loves! Wasn't able to properly update you guys na, but after having dinner, we moved to the place where we had lunch. Dun lang kami nag-chill. They had some chips, some drinks, and then we waited for mom's birthday ng 12 midnight. So we just sang for her, and di na ako naka-vlog kasi sobrang busy ko. I was working and editing kasi may mga deadlines ako, so I was working on my iPad. And ayun, I gave her my gift na, and the reason why I got her that phone, and it's not sponsored, I actually bought it talaga for my mom and for my tita. So I bought two. Kasi every time may family gathering kami, yung phone na yun, yung lagi namin ginagamit for photos. And then they always ask me to send the photos pa. Eh, since wala namang airdrop yun, because it's a different brand, nahihirapan ako minsan mag-transfer. So I had to buy the SanDisk iExpand pa, which is okay lang naman. But if they have their own phone, at least, diba, kahit wala ako, picture sila ng maganda. Kasi sobrang hilig na mag-take ng photos. And I will end the vlog here. It's been such an adventurous day today. It's been such an eventful day, and it's been such a good day. I hope you guys enjoyed. Please don't forget to hit the like button, click subscribe if you haven't yet, and click on that bell notification button so that you guys get notified every time I post a new video. I will see you guys in my next one. Thank you for watching, loves.